We're here in Layan today at an absolutely beautiful 5-bedroom villa that is just minutes away from Bang Tao and Layan Beach, two of the most popular spots in Phuket right now.
And with over 700 square meters of living space, this villa has been renovated. And of course, they've done a beautiful job. So stick around because in this video, we're gonna give you a guided tour.
Sandy, after you.
Let's go, Mike.
This villa really is the perfect space for entertaining. This open plan living area that comes out onto the pool area, this beautiful Turkish stone, real Turkish stone on the floor. And like Sandy mentioned, this villa has recently been renovated. They only finished a few months ago, and they've done an absolutely incredible job. The attention to detail is absolutely next level. You can see on the wall behind me, we've got a large 100-inch TV, some beautiful stylish furniture. Now this art piece on the wall just over here is a very, very interesting piece, and it's actually connected using rails at the bottom and the top, so it can be slid along. A new piece can be added on, just like you would see in a professional art gallery. Attention to detail, like I say, second to none. This table here has been custom made, a very, very stylish, modern light. And you can see all of these art pieces dotted around this villa. They make it a very, very unique villa. Now, these villas were actually built about 13 years ago. But if you walked in here, it feels like it is
Incredibly
a new
modern.
build, doesn't it?
So modern.
Now, over here, we've got a very, very impressive spirits collection. Sandy, I thought you would like this, right? This beautiful sort of modern Asian style cupboard with all the beautiful spirits on top there. And there's one feature that I did neglect to mention. Sandy, why don't you go and show us?
This is such a cool feature, guys. Let's go have a look. Guys, you will never guess what is behind this polished concrete wall.
What do you think this could be? Let me pull this open for you, Sandy.
What?
Wow.
It's like your own secret room. Whatever could this be?
What do you think's in there, guys? Let us know in the comments.
Look at that.
Wow.
You have your very own cooled wine cellar. It feels like you're in Narnia, really.
Incredible. So this wine cellar holds 2,000 bottles of wine. So if you're a wine lover, which the current owner obviously is, we've got, what's this? Goodness me. Oh, a nice bottle of Chateau Gazin there, one of my personal favorites.
Now, guys, the wine does not come with the villa, but you can pay extra.
Well, if it's a deal breaker, I'm sure we can work something out.
We can work
right?
a deal out for you. Don't worry about that.
So, if you like drinking wine, you probably like eating well as well, I would presume. So let's go and show you the commercial style chef's kitchen.
Let's go, guys. Thing you have to mention about this kitchen is this beautiful wooden door. Mike, don't you feel like you're back in France?
It's absolutely beautiful. It's got like a country house style feel, hasn't it?
Not only that, but you have to look at this beautiful wooden flooring. This wooden flooring is actually made from locally sourced wood, guys.
Very, very nice sort of Thai style wood.
Thai style, exactly. Very cooling.
Now, they haven't spared any expense on this kitchen. This beautiful real granite worktop. Over to the back here, we've got a commercial style stove. We've got 5 gas stoves. And here We've got an amazing place to cook burgers. We've got a commercial style flat top grill. So a really, really great cooking space. And what's also worth noting is to the back here, this is the maid's room and the maid's entrance. So if you do have a home help, they can cook in here and they've got a beautiful place to live out there. And through here is the main living quarters. So why don't we go through to the main living quarters and show us the ground floor bedroom.
Let's go, guys.
After you.
This first master bedroom is absolutely stunning just because how beautifully it connects seamlessly to the outdoors. You can wake up and jump right into the pool. There's so much open space and light, and you're just surrounded by this beautiful green oasis. Mike, what do you think?
It's beautiful. You can get out of bed, slide these doors open. You've got greenery all around, jump straight into the pool. It's an absolutely beautiful ground floor bedroom. There's another guest bedroom just over here that we'll show you in just a second. But before we do, let's take a look inside the walk-in wardrobe, the very well organized walk-in wardrobe, and the beautiful 5-star hotel bathroom. After you, Sandy.
Let's go.
I absolutely love what they've done with this walk-in wardrobe and bathroom space. We've got a very well organized his and her wardrobe area, and over here this bathroom area is so well designed. They're using the same Turkish stone on the floor and on the wall. We've got his and her sinks. We've also got a sort of symmetrical feel to the back here. It really feels like you're in a 5-star hotel, doesn't it, Sandy? It
feels so luxurious, guys. They have the same detail of using the Turkish stone on the sink, on the floors, on the walls, with all of the bathrooms.
And
such a cool detail.
This stuff isn't cheap, I can tell you that. Very, very high quality.
You can feel it, really.
Sure. Why don't you go and show us the other guest bedroom on the ground floor, which is just on the other side of the pool.
Let's go, guys.
After you.
So there are 2 bedrooms at the ground floor, the one we just showed you and this one that we are in right now, with its own standalone building, perfect if you have guests over. This bedroom has a double bed, and at the back you have your very own bathroom with its own, 5-star experience like we've showed you with the other ones. And you also have a table if you need to put your makeup on or work. Mike, what do you think?
It's a beautiful guest bedroom. I'd be very happy if I was a guest coming to stay here. Now, like Sandy says, this is a standalone building. It's a standalone bedroom, so it's not connected to the rest of the house. Perfect if maybe you've got parents or parents-in-law coming to stay just far enough away, right? So we've got another few bedrooms upstairs. Sandy, why don't you go and show us?
Let's go to the second floor, guys.
So on the top floor of the villa, we've got 3 beautiful bedrooms, but before we show you those, I want to show you around this hallway area that can only be described as an art gallery. Look at these beautiful pieces on the wall. We've got this huge sort of African style piece over here. We've got a zebra piece here. Downstairs there was also another
reoccurring theme.
A zebra piece. This one over here I know is by a Chinese artist. I absolutely love this. I could sit and look.
It's really mesmerizing.
It totally is. I could sit and look at this for hours. And over here we've got some more traditional Thai art. This nice cabinet. I believe this is Lanatai. I could be wrong. I'm no expert actually, but I do know it's very, very beautiful. So this hallway area has also got a traditional style football table. There would even be room for a pool table actually. Sandy, why don't you show us around one of the bedrooms?
Let's go, guys. Now, all the bedrooms on this top floor is of course an ensuite, but my favorite detail has to be this textured hidden closet with the same pushing motion as the wine cellar.
The attention to detail is absolutely beautiful. Very nice finish. And what I also love is that you're surrounded by greenery again, and we've got this beautiful balcony outside. Let's take a look at that. The balcony area on the top floor is pretty expansive, actually, and it almost feels like you're in a tree house. You're surrounded by all of these beautiful, mature trees, gorgeous view of the pool, and it connects all 3 bedrooms on the top floor. The first one that we've just seen, the second one is almost a mirror image of this one, but this one's the largest of the 3 on the top floor. Sandy, why don't you go and show us?
Let's go, guys. So this is the biggest bedroom of the top floor. Some might even call it the master bedroom of the top floor. Now, what I absolutely love is this feature wall seen in all the bedrooms. It gives the whole place a really European 5-star finish, contrasting with the Asian art pieces. Mike, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, this is sort of like a Chinese garment or something, isn't it? But you're right, there's quite a few features of this villa that mix the old and the new. I mean, this traditional Thai style pointed roof, obviously they've had it redone there when they've had it renovated, but it's absolutely beautiful, juxtaposed with all of the modern features of this villa that we've already talked about.
So much attention to detail. Even behind this bedroom, there's an area that you can turn into a yoga space, a little art studio, honestly, anything you'd like.
Sure, the space behind the bedroom, there's definitely potential for a spa, a gym, anything that you like, even an extra bedroom, like Sandy says. So a very, very beautiful property in a prime location. You've got Boat Avenue, Laguna, a stone's throw away. So great for a family living in Phuket, but
super convenient.
But also a great investment property. Anything in this area rents out at very, very high rental rates with a good occupancy. So why don't we head back downstairs and chill out down there for a bit?
Yeah, let's go, Mike.
This way. This stunning 5-bedroom villa is on the market for 85 million Thai baht, which is around 2.7 million US dollars.
If you're interested in a viewing of this beautiful property, you can contact us with the links on the screen or in the bio.
With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.
ขอบคุณค่ะ See you in the next one นะคะ